Understanding Consumer Fraud, a guide for English learners. Hello, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to discuss an important topic: consumer fraud. This concept is not only crucial in the business world, but also in everyday life. By understanding what consumer fraud is, you can protect yourself and make informed decisions. Let's dive into the details. Consumer fraud involves dishonest or illegal practices that deceive or take advantage of consumers. It can happen in various forms, such as false advertising, selling counterfeit products, or unauthorized charges on credit cards. Understanding these practices is essential to recognize and avoid them. In this section, we'll explore some typical examples of consumer fraud. For instance, false advertising. This happens when companies make misleading claims about their products or services. Identity theft. This involves someone using your personal information, like your name or credit card number, without your permission. Scams and phishing. These are deceptive practices where fraudsters trick you into giving them money or personal information. Here, we'll share some tips on how to stay safe. Be skeptical. If an offer seems too good to be true, it probably is. Check reviews. Look at what other consumers are saying about a product or service. Secure your information. Be cautious about sharing personal information, especially online. Understanding your rights is crucial. If you become a victim of consumer fraud, there are legal actions you can take. Reporting fraud to the authorities and seeking legal advice are important steps in this process. We hope this video has been informative and helpful in understanding consumer fraud. Remember, staying informed and cautious is the key to protecting yourself in the consumer world. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video.